We have the relevant agencies working together. We have the monthly monitoring, assessment, and coordination, as well as the information sharing. For specific localities, even at the county level, we can make such monthly assessment in the information system. So with these institutional setup, we have strengthened the coordination to ensure everyone who is qualified can access to these financial products. During the outbreak of COVID-19, we made every effort to ensure the sustainability of this particular financial product. Now all the areas in rural are low-risk areas, so they can get easier access to the financial products. Previously, we've already offered the online issuance of the loans, and we have adopted specific approaches to make it convenient and easy for the rural households or farmers to get access. And now we have also expanded the coverage to the marginal population and households. The interest rate is subsidized by the government. The specific financial assistance has been provided in advance. Okay, due to the time constraint, last question, please. On the right, on the third row, the reporter over there, please. Thank you. With Shenzhen TV, we noticed that 31 private companies and non-profit organizations made the advocacy to help the poor areas. However, affected by COVID-19, private sector is also affected. So, will it be possible for the private sector to accomplish the poverty alleviation targets and any policy support for them to accomplish the goals? And we will have DG Chen to take the question. Thank you for your question. Indeed, on April the 8th, the private enterprises and non-profit organizations made this advocacy, and we can see that they have over 90% of the companies and non-profit organizations have already been participating in this initiative. They can enjoy the taxation exemption thanks to their initiative, and also they provide the assistance in the light of the actual needs. So we have focused on the weaknesses and the gaps in poverty alleviation. We believe that the civil organizations and private sector are adopting this approach or this initiative to provide assistance for poverty alleviation. This is a sound demonstration of mutual assistance, which is the fine tradition in the Chinese culture. This is truly a voluntary initiative. It's not a forced assignment. So going forward, we will summarize the experience, promote the best practices, and drive forward such good initiatives. We also call on the private sector and the NGOs to get engaged in such initiative. Thank you. During today's press conference, we have speakers taking questions about poverty alleviation in rural areas. For tomorrow's press conference, we will focus on e-commerce and consumption encouragement. Then we will have officials from the Ministry of Commerce, the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, as well as other relevant government organizations and agencies to come to the press conference. That's all for today. Thank you.